Right now, three major names completely dominate the fast-paced world of generative AI: ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. If you log into any of them today, you'll see a nearly identical interface, a blank text box waiting for a prompt. This visual similarity creates a persistent illusion that these tools are interchangeable. Beneath that simple surface, these systems operate on different architectural philosophies. They process data differently, they connect to the internet differently, and they measure truth differently. Picking one at random usually leads to the exact frustrations that make people abandon AI altogether. You end up wrestling with incorrect facts, hitting strict memory limits, or wasting time manually copying text because the AI doesn't connect with your actual software. Take a look at this Venn diagram. While all three share a baseline ability to generate text in the center, they dominate distinct workflow zones. Zooming out, we find their specialties: a versatile plugin ecosystem, deep context with human-like tone, and real-time Google integration. Matching one of these zones to your actual daily tasks is the only way to get real value and avoid wasting a $20 a month premium subscription. OpenAI's ChatGPT is the generalist of the group. Its strength lies in an open approach, leaning on a massive third-party plugin ecosystem and the ability to build custom GPTs tailored to your exact needs. Instead of treating the AI as just a conversational partner, you can link ChatGPT to outside services. You can execute code, book travel, or order food without ever leaving the chat interface. It also features native integration with DALL-E 3. You can type out a descriptive prompt and the AI generates a stylized visual alongside your text. The trade-off with this visual capability is precision. It struggles to render accurate, nuanced text inside those generated images, meaning you will still need dedicated design software to finalize any professional graphics. Where ChatGPT acts as a long-term assistant is its memory feature. Over weeks and months, it learns your preferences, notes your writing style, and remembers the context of your previous projects. The downside to that memory is over-reliance. The model can sometimes cling so tightly to past context that it ignores new directions, forcing you to manually clear its memory to reset the slate. If you are an entrepreneur who needs a multimodal platform that connects to hundreds of external apps, ChatGPT remains the most flexible choice. Then we have Anthropic's Claude. Its defining architectural advantage is the context window, the volume of information the AI can hold in its active memory at one exact moment. This data funnel illustrates Claude's capacity. You can pour an entire book or massive codebase into a single prompt. Because it processes hundreds of thousands of words instantly, it cross-references dense data sets to provide a single, structured summary. Anthropic built Claude around a philosophy of AI safety. If it doesn't know the answer to a question, it is designed to explicitly say so, rather than guessing and providing false data. Because of that careful design, Claude produces fluent, human-like text. It tackles complex ethical debates and long-form writing without the robotic cadence of other models. It also features a specific interface called artifacts. When you ask it to generate code or HTML, it builds the output in a dedicated side window, turning the AI into a partner where you can preview your work instantly. For writers, academics, and software developers who prioritize precise, nuanced text over image generation, Claude is the strongest workhorse available. Google's Gemini handles information from a different angle. Its primary advantage is native integration with real-time internet search. Unlike older models, Gemini pulls live information. Ask it to analyze today's stock market fluctuations, pull live sports scores, or summarize breaking news events. Its corporate value comes from its presence inside Google Workspace. It allows you to summarize Gmail threads, draft Google Docs, and analyze Google Sheets without leaving the app. But that integration has a hard limit. If your company relies entirely on Microsoft Office, Gemini's primary workflow advantage disappears. It handles its multimodal inputs exceptionally well. You can upload an image of a math equation, feed it audio, and provide a video file, and it will interpret all of those formats simultaneously. When it answers, the output leans towards structured, search-friendly facts. It prioritizes presenting information cleanly and directly, rather than with creative nuance. Gemini functions as a high-speed factual engine, optimized for students and corporate workers who already manage their workflows through the Google Cloud. All three of these tools offer free versions, which brings us to a practical question. Is ChatGPT Plus, Claude Pro, or Gemini Advanced worth $20 every month? Models like GPT-4o Mini and Claude Sonnet are capable on the free tier. But if you rely on them for daily work, you will quickly hit message caps during peak hours, which can stall a deadline. This scorecard matrix compares the paid tiers. A $20 subscription provides flagship models, expanded memory, and custom apps. Specifically for Gemini Advanced, the subscription also includes a Google One Cloud Storage bundle as part of the monthly fee. Paying for an AI is an ROI positive move if you constantly hit Claude's memory limits, need ChatGPT's specific plugins to automate your day, or can eliminate an existing cloud storage bill by switching to Gemini. The final choice comes down to identifying your single most critical daily task. Let's map this out. Analyzing massive documents or building complex code points toward Claude. A researcher or corporate worker reliant on live data points toward Gemini. And generalists needing custom applications and rapid image generation, your daily driver is ChatGPT. But power users rarely limit themselves to just one platform. The most effective strategy is the multi-tool approach. Use Gemini to pull live research, feed data into Claude for writing, and use ChatGPT for accompanying visuals. AI literacy comes from recognizing the architectural strengths of each tool and applying them to the specific parts of your daily workflow.